I'm going to talk about the flowers. Flowers have four main parts. They are stem, bud, sepal, petal. And some flowers are used decoration. To make garland and decoration, some flowers are used in our food. Example, orchids, periwinkle, dahlia, tulip. Thank you.